Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing the unboxing for September's boxycharm. I am subscribed to the Luxy box, so we're going to see what we got this month. I already did use the products to create this look, so I will be showing what I used and how much the products are. So this is the card we got this month. And we got a 8-piece brush set, and again I already opened them because I used them to test them out. This is the Moda 8-piece brush kit, and let me tell you guys, these brushes are amazing. I used, I believe, all of them. Yes, I like this one. I applied the under eye powder to set the concealer. I use this one for laying down color on the lid. It comes with a pointer brush, a flat little shader brush. I use this one to smudge out the eyeliner. This little brush, do they have names? I don't see names, but I use this one as a highlight brush. And this one was my favorite, paddle powder brush. I use this one to powder my face and also use it for bronzer. It also comes with a blender brush and a fine, you can use this one as a eyebrow liner. An eyebrow brush, or you can line your lash line. So you get all these, and these retail for $69.99. This box is $50, I believe. So you already got your money's worth with these set of brushes. But $69.99 is a bit expensive for brushes in my opinion, but these are really good brushes, so I did really like them. So that was the first thing. The next thing I got was this Glow Recipe Pineapple Seed Bright Serum. I did try it out today because it says you can use it in the morning and at night. And it did feel really good on the face. It didn't feel oily. So I will be using this one. It's really cute too. And again, it doesn't feel oily on the skin because I'm oily skin. It sets in, it doesn't have any residue, so this is really good. And sorry for the lighting, the sun is coming down, so I have artificial lighting. And this one retails for $49. So that's how it looks again, $49. So I'm excited to try that. The next item I got is the Dr. Brandt Hydrobiotic Recovering Sleeping Mask. I will be honest, I've gotten a few items from this brand and I am not impressed. For the price, I've gotten primers, face scrubs, and I just don't like them. So hopefully I'll like this one. This one retails for $52. So let's see how it looks. It's just so I'll try this one and hopefully it works, because these have really good reviews, this brand, but I just have not found anything that works for me. The next item I got, and I used it on my eyeshadow today, is this Violet Voss Essentials. It looks like this, comes with a mirror. I like this palette because it has all your fall colors, and you can also do some maroon colors for the fall time. This color is really pretty, the gold. Today I'm using this one, and this one. So, and they are very pigmented. So this one retails for $29.99. And it's really good because it's small enough where you can travel with it. Oh, and I'm also using the black. The black is really good and really pigmented, so that's good. The next item we got, I have not tried this. It's the Mistress Hydrating Hair Balm. And this retails for $29. It smells good. So I'll be trying this on my hair. The next item we got is this Hank & Henry. I have tried this one. It's the, let's see, Hank & Henry Liquidy Black Eyeliner. Let me tell you, his brand is really good. This eyeliner is very pigmented and it stays on very well. Just with a swipe. I don't know if you can see. See how dark that is? And if you let it set, it won't rub off. So this is really good. For the price point, it's $20. I think it's worth it if your eyeliner always runs. Try this one. This is the color black. So I totally recommend this eyeliner. It's really good. The next item I got is the Stila Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick. I've been wanting to try this lipstick forever, and I'm not one that likes to spend $20 on a lipstick, but I'm happy I got it on this box. So it looks like that. It's really pretty. It's nude. It's lighter than what it looks on the tube though. Let me swatch it. I do have to outline my lips and blend it because it's like a nude with pink undertones. It's really pretty though, and it does stay on all day. I really did like it. It doesn't feel heavy. It feels like your lips. It doesn't cake up, well, at least in me it didn't cake up. So I'm very pleased with this liquid lipstick, and this one runs for $22. So really good. And I got the color Angelo. The last thing I got on my box is this Tarte Park Avenue Princess. I am wearing it today, and if you want to see this makeup look, I already have it up on my channel. It's the full get ready with me transformation. I showed you how I did my hair, my makeup, and an outfit. So this is how the palette looks. Very pretty. And look, so beautiful. Today I used this one to bronze. I added some of this to add sheen to the bronze up here and a little bit above my cheek, the contour right here, to add sheen. I also used this one to brighten up my under eyes and wherever I use concealer to brighten my face, and it worked really well. I really like them. I also used it here. So this is a really good, it's very pigmented. So I'm very happy I got this one. And also I'm excited because this one you can try. I'm not one that does eyeshadow full-blown looks all week, but having this, I have my bronzer and my eyeshadow because usually I use bronzer as my eyeshadow, so I am set to go. And this one retails for $45. So very pretty. It's good quality. I really love it. So let me know what you guys got on your boxycharm. I know a lot of people that have the boxycharm, the regular, got a lot of good items. Like I know they got this one, the eyeliner, and boy, this is really good. So that is all I got for this month's BoxyCharm. Again, I am subscribed to the Boxylux, so I get 8 items, I believe. Yeah, 8 full-size items. So let me know what you got on your this month's BoxyCharm, and if you want to see this makeup look and the whole hair transformation, the outfit, go to my last video and you can see it there. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.